Top shortcuts number 10 and number 11, the Format Painter shortcuts. The Format Painter shortcuts are really the pick up styles and apply styles keyboard shortcuts, and if I just hit Shift F5, if you already know your Control C to copy and your Control V to paste, all you need to do is throw in the Shift key to pick up this massive time-saving shortcut. And what this allows you to do is come into a presentation. Let's say you want to reuse this red, you just hit Control Shift C, will pick up the color of that rectangle. You can then select other rectangles or shapes and Control Shift V to paste it. And why this is better than the normal Format Painter is once I pick up that green formatting, Control Shift V to paste, I can do anything else in my presentation. I can click around, I can edit text, whatever, and I'll still keep this green formatting. I'll just Control Shift V to apply it there, and I'm going to keep that green formatting until I go and pick up a new color. I'll select the blue, Control Shift C to copy, and Control Shift V to paste. So it's allowing you to very quickly pick up formatting from one part of your presentation, carry it with you, and apply it to other parts of your presentation, saving yourself a ton of time and making sure your presentations are sharp, clean, and consistent.